Hello, my beautiful vintage lovers. It's Dobby from Blast from the Past Bags. Today I'm shooting this video to share with you 7 items that I sold on my Etsy shop. I was away for the past week. I took some time off with my family and now I'm back. I left my shop open just so you guys could enjoy it and people could shop, and yeah, now I'm back, so I'm going to be shipping these items because I want to make sure that they are with their new owners as soon as possible. So I sold some really cute vintage pieces, and without further ado, let me show you the items that I sold. I have some clothing items, I have some accessories, so let's get started. Item number 1 is this genuine leather biker jacket with zip-up closure by the brand Oasis, and size mark is UK 10, Europe 36. It has fitted silhouette and I love the chest and side pockets. It also has these zipper cuffs, which I love, and it has these buckles at the waistline so you can cinch up your silhouette. Really cute high neck jacket that is perfect for the fall season. Next is this cute pleated Indian scarf, which is double-sided. One side is kind of brick red, the other one is like golden mustard yellow. It has paisley print and fringes at the bottom, and it says pashmina over here, so it's really cute, very soft. You can wear it in a number of different ways because it's quite large. I have it folded in half, but you can wear it as a shawl or as a neck warmer, and it's really cute. It's perfect for the fall and the winter season. I also sold a couple of pieces, a couple of blouses, or should I say shirts, like this black sheer mesh pleated shirt by United Colors of Benetton. It has this dramatic pointy collar, which I love, cute button front closure with these tiny square buttons, and it has dramatic cuffs as well with 2-button closure. It's very delicate, it's form-fitting, and I really love how you can pair it with, let's say, a bralette underneath or with a cami top underneath, and or even as an open shirt, like as an overshirt, you can still enjoy it. It's really cute, it's elegant, it's versatile, and you can pair it for the evening with, let's say, a leather skirt and some pumps, or you can wear it in the office too with some Oxford shoes and maybe like cigarette pants or something like that. So it will look really cute. Next item is this cute Intimissimi Italian sheer mesh top with V-neck lace detailing around the cuffs and the neckline. It's quite stretchy, and again, it's a slim fit. It fits like size extra small. I believe it has no size mark, and again, it's very sheer, very delicate, so you can wear it with something underneath or with a bralette if you are bold. And the next one is probably my favorite piece from this collection that I have over here because it has so much going on. And if you've been following me, guys, you know that I'm all about prints, I'm all about texture, I love embroidery. I just love, like, the more things are going on, the better it is, so I never miss pieces like this. And this shirt, I had it for quite a while in my Etsy shop, and I thought that it was going to go really fast, but it didn't. It finally sold, and I honestly don't know why it took so long because it's so gorgeous. It has these cute buttons, lovely embroidery, and let me just count the types of fabric that we have. We have striped fabric, checkered fabric, and we have this paisley floral fabric as well. It's gorgeous. It's made of 100% cotton, and I just love it. It's so boho, and yeah, very beautiful piece that you can incorporate in your wardrobe. So this one sold as well, but don't forget to check out my Etsy shop because I have so many amazing items there, so you can visit it. It's Blast from the Past Bags on Etsy. I'll leave the link down below. And I think I have 2 more items to show you guys. There are 2 leather belts that I sold. Etsy did something with this belt because it was getting, all of a sudden, it was getting like hundreds and hundreds of views and hundreds of favorites, probably. Well, not hundreds, but maybe, you know, tens of favorites. So I knew that I was going to sell this fast. Every time Etsy likes an item, they tend to show it to more and more people, potential buyers that they think are going to like it and purchase it. So this belt was in Etsy's radar, and I knew I was going to sell it. And I love it because it's such an unusual color. You have this minty color with the silver studs and slim silver buckle. So I really love the detailing of this belt, and yeah, it's really cute. So I'm going to be shipping this today to its new owner. And the other belt that I sold is this cute brown leather belt. It's so sturdy, the leather is very high quality, and it has this chunky silver tone buckle. See how wide it is, how thick it is. So yeah, this one I sold too, and yeah, I'll be packing all these items and getting them over to their new owners. If you have enjoyed this video, guys, be sure to give it the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to talk to you guys. And yeah, that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.